Razgled iz Blejskega gradu in Dimitris Mistakidis, mojster etno kitare, ki je svojo profesionalno pot začel že pri 16 letih, je na tretji dan festivala Okarina poskrbel za pravo doživetje tradicionalne grške glasbe, ki je pod vplivom afroameriških blues glasbenikov. Pred koncertom nam je glasbenik zaupal, kaj je pripravil za tokratni koncert in od kje izvira afroameriški vpliv.
We're going to play songs for every period of the creator of the rebetiko music. Rebetiko music is a special kind of Greek music. It's a music that was developed at the big cities after the time that the people from the villages make a small part of immigration at the big cities. There's a music that was created by the people who couldn't stand the new life, the new way of life. So they kept themselves at the low levels of the society. There are songs about the jail, about the drugs, about love. And we're going to play songs for all the periods. There are 4 major periods in the creation of Rebetiko that lasted almost 60 years. We play songs from all these periods.
Glasbeniku lahko pripišemo več kot 32 let glasbenega ustvarjanja, izdajo 80 različnih albumov, 20 let raziskovanja korenin rebetiko glasbe in številne odrske nastope. Zanimalo nas je, kako ohranja ljubezen do nastopanja.
Every musician, anybody that wants to be a musician, a professional musician, I think that's the major thing that makes him want to be a musician, is the interactive with the audience. I don't think that you can be a musician if you don't love the live performance. So it's something that I don't try to do. It's something that is physical. It's come from the nature of this job.
Življenjepis in glasbeno ustvarjanje Dimitrisa Mistakidis je pestro in zanimivo. Zaupal nam je, kaj meni o uspehu in kaj je zanj uspeh.
All my dreams, as a child, I had some dreams about this job. All my dreams was fulfilled when I was 22, in a very short time. So success for me is to do what you like to do and to be able to live from that, to give you the money to afford the cost of the life. So success is, for me, is when I succeed to live from the job that I love.
Tretji koncert festivala Okarina je z mešanico grške etno glasbe preko tehnike ubiranja strun cibiti poskrbel za čudovit glasben večer.